What can you do in Athlone Town? If you are curious about what Athlone Town has to offer, you are in for a treat. This charming town in the heart of Ireland is packed with activities for everyone. Let's take a closer look at the many things you can do here. Start your adventure at Athlone Castle. This impressive fortress dates back to the 13th century and features interactive exhibits that bring the local history to life. The castle offers stunning views of the River Shannon and shares stories of battles and sieges from the past. It is a great spot for visitors of all ages, with hands-on activities that are especially fun for children. If you enjoy the outdoors, the Old Rail Trail is perfect for you. This fully paved cycling route stretches 42 kilometers from Athlone to Mullingar. It follows the path of a former railway line, taking you through peaceful farmland and charming bridges. This leisurely ride allows you to soak in the beauty of the Irish countryside. Water lovers will find plenty to do along the River Shannon and nearby Lough. You can kayak, sail, or simply enjoy a picnic by the water. For a unique experience, visit Baysports on Lough. It features Ireland's largest floating water park and one of the world's biggest floating water slides, making it a fantastic spot for families and thrill seekers. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the Shannon Banks Nature Trail, which is great for walking. If you have children, the Glendeer Pet Farm is a must-visit. Here, kids can feed animals and explore a fairy garden nature walk. For a little relaxation, Athlone has several spa and wellness facilities where you can unwind. For a taste of local culture, make sure to stop by Sean's Bar. This pub holds the Guinness World Record as the oldest pub in Ireland, dating back to 900 AD. The historic atmosphere, complete with traditional live music and authentic Irish drinks, offers a genuine experience of Irish hospitality. Families can enjoy entertainment at Planet Athlone, which features a bowling alley, or catch a movie at the IMC Cinema. The town also boasts a variety of restaurants and cafes where you can sample delicious Irish cuisine. Athlone Town combines historical landmarks, outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, and family-friendly attractions. Whether you are a history buff, nature lover, or just looking for a fun day out, Athlone has something for everyone.